Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Today we're going to change or show you, we're going to change out the 12-inch horizontals on this underground parking garage. They're real nasty, but it is what it is. They're just full of grease and oil and stuff. But this one here is bowed. We already got the center hang off right there. Everything's loose, ready for us to go. We're going to put in these big old commercial ones right here. Probably have to cut a little bit off the back end because these are, I think they're for a 10 or a 12 foot door. I can't remember. I'll probably hit that sprinkler head there. But this is a 6.3. Looks like a 6.3, huh? Or a 6.6. I don't know. One of those. I think like a 6.3. 6.3 door here with these big old springs up in there. And we got an APT opener. We've done work to this door extensively. They hit these doors like bumper cars over here. That one's getting changed too. So we're going to do that right now. So part 2 will be the new horizontals, and as a bonus, because these people are so awesome with us, we're going to change out those verticals too. They're just nasty. So this is a real super quick video. Part 1 of changing 12-inch horizontal tracks. Here's the name, the tagline, the number, the address. Thank you. Give us a call, and thanks for subscribing and liking. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord, and we will talk to you on the next video later.